Wildfires are a serious threat to many communities across the U.S. The reality is, wildfires can strike quickly, so having a solid family emergency plan in place is crucial for keeping your loved ones safe. In this video, we'll walk through the steps for creating a comprehensive wildfire emergency plan. By the end, you'll know how to develop a communication strategy, prepare evacuation routes, assemble an emergency kit, and how to safeguard your important family information. First things first, it's important to know your area's wildfire risk. Your local government websites and wildfire maps are a great resource to stay informed. Once you understand the risks, it's time to plan your evacuation routes. Make sure your family knows at least 2 evacuation routes in case one is blocked by fire. Familiarize yourselves with these routes ahead of time so everyone knows where to go. Communication is also key. Have a plan in place for staying connected during an emergency. Choose 2 meeting locations, one close to home and one farther away, just in case. Don't forget to create an emergency contact list that includes local authorities, nearby friends or relatives, and someone out of town who can check in. Now let's talk about your emergency kit. Be sure to have enough supplies for at least 3 days. This includes water, non-perishable food, first aid supplies, extra clothing, and personal hygiene items. It's also a good idea to make sure you can access important documents like insurance policies, family members' IDs, and financial records. This is where Trustworthy comes in. With Trustworthy, you can securely store digital versions of your family's critical documents. In addition, you can access them or share them from your computer or phone anytime you need to. Don't forget to prepare your home as well. Create a defensible space by clearing at least 30 feet of vegetation around your house. Keep gutters and your roof clear of flammable debris, and consider using fire-resistant materials when making improvements. And remember, pets and livestock are part of your family too. Be sure to include them in your evacuation plan. Pack emergency kits for your pets and know where the nearest pet-friendly shelters are. For livestock, have a plan in place to move them to a safe location if needed. Regular family meetings are a great way to make sure everyone knows the plan. Assign responsibilities, like who will grab the emergency kit or handle the pets, and practice your evacuation routes so everyone is prepared when it counts. In the end, staying prepared is the best way to protect your loved ones in case of a wildfire. By having a solid plan in place, you can act quickly and confidently. And by using Trustworthy to store your critical documents, you ensure that you'll always have access to the information you need, even in the aftermath of a wildfire. Stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, a well-prepared family is a safer family. To learn more, visit trustworthy.com.